Hi everyone, welcome to my class today. This is Still Maths with Victor. If you are joining us for the first time, kindly like and follow and share our Facebook page to all your friends and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm going to drop the link with this video. Thank you. Today, I want us to discuss Bodmas. What is Bodmas and why Bodmas is something that is very important, and there has been a lot of misconceptions towards the right order and the right definition of Bodmas. First of all, Bodmas is an acronym in mathematics that gives us the precedence of mathematical operations. I don't know if that makes sense to you, but I'm going to explain that. What that means is that when we have a mathematical expression involving different operations, Bodmas tells us which of the operation we must do first before the others. So it arranges mathematical operations according to their precedence, according to their weight, according to the ones that must be done first before the others. For instance, if I have 5 plus 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8, look at this mathematical expression very, very clearly. You will notice the operations there: plus, 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 plus. The same operation. We are adding all these numbers. So in this case, we don't talk about Bodmas because we have one single mathematical operation, which is addition. So we simply add the numbers, right? But if we have expressions with different operations, there is addition, there is subtraction, multiplication, division, bracket, exponents, and all of that, Bodmas comes in to guide us on which one to do first before the other. So quickly, we'll look at the correct order of Bodmas. So we arrange the acronyms in order. The first acronym is B, and it stands for bracket or parenthesis. All right. The next acronym is O. It stands for others or exponents, or even indices or roots. The next acronym is DM. Notice something, I'm going to explain this. Of course, D stands for division, and M we know stands for multiplication. And finally, we have AS. Notice something again on the same line. A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. So what does this mean? It means that when we have different operations in mathematics, we must start with brackets. We must simplify every expression inside the bracket first. That must be done. So when we are done with expressions in bracket, we simplify expressions involving powers, others, exponents, indices, roots, squares, square root, and all of that. Those are others, mathematical orders. So when you are done with bracket, first you deal with the ones that involve exponents or powers. When you're done with the ones that involve exponents, you look at the next order, D and M, on the same line. What this means is that division and multiplication have the same precedence. D doesn't have to come before M and vice versa. So division must not be done necessarily before M, or multiplication done before D. No, they have the same precedence. What it means is that if we have an expression involving division and multiplication, you simply solve the expression from left to right, not minding the one that comes first. They have the same weight. The same thing happens with A and S. Addition is not necessarily before S, that's subtraction, and subtraction is not necessarily before addition. So when we have an expression involving addition and subtraction, we simply solve from left to right, not minding the one that comes first. So this order must be maintained while solving mathematical expressions. So we'll quickly look at one or two problems, and then we end the lesson. So we have 6 minus 3 plus 8 minus 1, and then plus 4. When you look at this mathematical expression, you will notice two different orders, subtractions and addition. In the rule of Bodmas, addition and subtraction are on the same precedence, so you don't have to add before you subtract or subtract before you add. You simply solve from left to right. So when we do that, you have 6 minus 3, that's 3, plus 8 minus 1 plus 4. You solve again from left to right. 3 plus 8 is 11 minus 1 plus 4. 11 minus 1 is 10 plus 4. Finally, 10 plus 4 is 14. So in this situation, simply solve from left to right because A, which is addition, and S, which is subtraction, are on the same level. The same thing with divisions and multiplications. You solve from left to right if those are the two operations you have. Thank you so much. We are going to look at more complex questions involving Bodmas in our subsequent videos. You're welcome.